Do you really need to exercise? I know lots of us are asking the question if we really need to, or can we skip by for a day or two? Well, today we're looking at the insights and wisdom of Omuugn. We have a whole section here on exercise and the importance of exercise. And that's something we're going to unpack today with Omuugn. Now, I want to share a secret with you. He's 79 years old, perfectly cognitive, perfectly in shape, very active, and we want to know, what are you doing to keep yourself healthy and how can we implement that in our own lives? So please help me welcome Omuugn. How are you today?
Oh, I'm great. How are you doing today?
I'm very good, thank you.
I would actually like to start today's session by giving a shout out to all of the people who actually exercise regularly. I see people jogging. I see people out walking. There are people who go to the gym on a regular basis, who have home equipment and things that they do. If exercise is part of your normal daily activity, you deserve a pat on the back and a congratulations. So I'd like to give you one this morning. You are a good example for all of the rest of us. Keep up the good work. I lived in a time of where there were no computers. If you wanted to know what the news was, you had to buy a newspaper. Everything was more hands-on. So there was a lot more movement in our daily lives than there is today. We've actually created a situation in our world where more and more of our employment is sitting behind a desk and a sedentary lifestyle. With the emergence of technology such as televisions and computers and all of this entertainment, there are many of us who access sporting activity, concerts, and everything sitting on our couches or in a big easy chair. It's easy to do that. In our modern society, we have a tendency to drive everywhere. When I grew up, a lot of our transportation was walking or riding a bicycle. There was just more physical activity in everything that we did. So I think we need to be aware of the times that we live in. And as the times change, we have to change also. We have to adapt to a different lifestyle. For example, incorporating exercising into our life. Maybe park further away in the parking lots at the stores that we visit so that we can walk to and from the store. I know that there's a tendency to find a parking place as close as you can to the door so that you don't have to walk as far. We have elevators and we have stairs, and most people will take the elevators in a building. It's better to use the stairs if you can, it's more movement. Looking for ways in which we can incorporate movement and exercise into our lives. It's just a healthier way to live. We have to go out of our way to think how to do that. Exercise is critical. It's
Mm.
critical to every aspect of our health. We're just going to enjoy life a lot better if we're healthy and strong and flexible. And exercise is just a requirement to have all of that meshed together. Watch your diet, eat the right foods, holistic living, exercising. You're just going to enjoy life a lot more if you do that.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you haven't already, this is an opportunity for you to pick up a copy of the Insights and Wisdom of Omuugn. Every week, we unpack a different topic on how you can be a better leader, a better person, and be the best version of you. So join us again. And thank you, Omuugn, for your wisdom. We'll see you guys again next week.